This video shows how to enable FileMaker Pro advanced features in FileMaker 17 on Mac OS and Windows. FMPro Migrator uses FileMaker advanced features when performing conversion projects. The only prerequisite for this video is that you need to have the FileMaker 17 desktop software installed on Mac OS or Windows. You may use either the free trial version or the licensed version of FileMaker. Select the Preferences menu item from the FileMaker Pro Advanced menu on Mac OS. On Windows, select the Preferences menu item from the Edit menu. Click the Use Advanced Tools checkbox at the bottom of the Preferences dialog. After clicking, the text FileMaker Pro Advanced Restart Required will appear next to the checkbox. After restarting FileMaker Pro Advanced, you will see that the Use Advanced Tools checkbox is checked, and all of the FileMaker Pro Advanced features are now available.